This is a new era of YouTube and the content creation at large. And the things you knew before, the things that is happening before, the things that is giving you views before will no longer matter again. As a matter of fact, I have critically studied it and I'm going to give you 5 things that will no longer matter on YouTube. And I'm going to give you the permanent solution and what you are going to do to still maintain your channel and still maintain your visibility on YouTube without being left behind. Number one, this is the era of AI. If you watch, people are using the AI tools to modify their content. And when I talk of AI, I'm not only referring to the people that are into YouTube automation. I'm referring to all the creators, no matter what you are creating. It is high time you started using AI. Use it and upgrade everything you are doing as a creator because it can help you to do a deep research, come up with content ideas and content planning faster and smarter. So that is what this new era of creators and viewers actually wants. They don't want anything that will take their time. So if you're not making use of AI tools now in your content creation or as a YouTuber, definitely coming 2026, you are going to be left behind. 2026 is around the corner and most of the things that is working before will no longer work again. If you notice, the time AI come into play, the competition is very high. Not only for the viewers or the creators, but for YouTube also. When people started mastering AI and using it for their content creation, the social media platforms wanted to beat YouTube because it was as if YouTube doesn't support AI. But because YouTube needs that new generation of content creators, YouTube have to say YouTube is for AI and they welcome AI and AI too. So people started producing many AI and YouTube have to monetize them. That is how to drag audience. They drag all those customers to their platform, which is YouTube. And after few months, they now have to regulate it. Because I know a few months ago, most of the creators are saying AI people are taking our views. It is only AI content that YouTube is pushing. YouTube is doing that for them to be welcomed fully into the platform. When you are now welcomed fully, they will now give you the rules and regulations. If you are a creator, whether your channel is all about AI or you are using the AI tools, make sure that you follow the YouTube policies on AI so your channel will not be deleted or get demonetized. So what am I saying in essence? As a YouTube creator, make sure that at least you are using AI for your content creation because that is where the new era of content creation is heading to come 2026. Number two, the era of clickbait is dead and it is dead completely. Now, you cannot use deceptive title and deceptive thumbnail to trick YouTube again. That one is gone. When I'm saying all these things, I'm not joking because I've been a creator on YouTube for the past 6 years. So I know the kind of content I was posting 6 years ago, how it is performing, and what I am posting right now and how they are performing. Now, I am going to show you the video I posted 6 years ago, the audience retention of that video, how many views the video got. But if it is this new generation of content creation and YouTube, it can never happen. So let me show you. Okay, so take a look at this video. I posted this video on May 3rd, 2019. That is 6 years ago. Now, this video got 92,000 views. Let me show you something that will shock you. You click on the reach. When you look at the reach, you will see that YouTube notification is number one. Then YouTube normally push notification to people and the most people watch video through YouTube notification. Then the second one is direct or unknown. The third one is YouTube search. There is no YouTube recommendation for a video of 92,000 views. Are you seeing how the algorithm is changing? So you have to change with it. If you now go to the engagement of this particular video, look at average view duration of this video. 47 seconds. This is the video of 3 minutes with an average view duration of 47 seconds, which means people are not even watching the video up to a minute and the video still got 92,000 views with the traffic source coming from YouTube notification. But now it is through YouTube recommendation. So the era of clickbait is gone. Then what I use for this video is those type of sharp thumbnail that is not even the actual thing that happened in the video. But once people click the thumbnail, watch for 47 seconds and they notice that what they expected to see is not what the video is delivering, they will leave the video. But YouTube still push the video. People still click on the notification. The video still got 92,000 views with notification being the highest. But if it's the new era of content creation, it cannot even happen. For the fact people are not watching that video for long, YouTube will leave it. So now the era of clickbait is gone. So here is the solution if you want to succeed in 2026 as a YouTube creator. If you want to create a content, forget about clickbait for your title and your thumbnail. Clickbait is using a thumbnail or a title that does not actually represent what your video content is talking about. Create a very attractive and simple thumbnail that will represent what your content is all about. When I talk of clickbait, it is both for thumbnail and for titles if you want to succeed on this new era of YouTube. Now let us go to number 3. But before I go into number 3, do well to give this video a thumbs up. If you watch, this is also my new era. As a matter of fact, this November is making it 1 year I posted my first video on this particular channel, and I want to thank all of you for your support. You people are part of my growth, and this channel belongs to all of us. And I also have a new haircut. So this is the new era of Jazzy Studios, the new era of YouTube. So I want to carry all of us along. Number 3 is subscribers does not matter again. I've been saying that countless number of times. If you're a creator, whether you're an old creator or you're a new creator, YouTube doesn't care. What they care about is your content. If you're an old creator and you don't want to evolve, you don't want to follow the new trend, you don't want to follow the new era of YouTube, you keep on doing the old things you are doing before, saying after all I have 300 and something K subscribers, it won't go. You will be stuck with 600 views, 1000 views. Why channel of 800 subscribers, 2K subscribers will be having 500 and something K views? It is happening right now. So YouTube doesn't care if you have large number of subscribers or small number of subscribers. Anybody that have quality content that is demanding, that audience want to see, YouTube will definitely push that person, irrespective of your subscribers. So subscribers is dead. What they focus on now is viewers' interest and how viewers feel whenever they watch your video. So if you're a creator, don't bother about your subscribers. You might have 2,000 subscribers, but you will be successful more than somebody that have 300k subscribers. It is happening. Unless the person with 300k subscribers is equally evolving, following the new YouTube era. That is the only time that person will still remain relevant. So for the new creators, don't panic. Create your content and follow the new YouTube changes. Your channel will still get visibility, irrespective of your subscribers. I see some people saying, I want to first of all get subscribers before I will now start posting content. I'm asking them, those subscribers, are they going to fall from heaven? It is your content that will give you subscribers. If you have 100,000 subscribers and you are not delivering good content and good value, somebody with 2K subscribers will take your audience. So deliver good quality content that offers real value, irrespective of the content you are creating. The number 4 is delay tactics is gone. And that one is gone and gone forever. I remember those days we are creating content. Most people that are watching our videos then are not Gen Zs. If you watch, this new era of content creation is mostly dominated by the Gen Zs. And Gen Z don't have time for your too much pleasantries. You know, they are very smart and intelligent, and they can spot video that it is not delivering real value even from the first click. Unlike then, when we are creating videos, we use delay tactics. You know, you started your video, you will start saying things that doesn't matter, just to make the video to be longer. You'll be saying, hi guys, hello, how are you people doing today? I hope you have eaten. All those things doesn't matter now. Once you start recording, go straight to the point. There is no time for all those things. Nobody has that time to wait for you. If you want to talk about how to become a billionaire, once somebody click that video, start with, I am going to show you how to become a billionaire. You go straight to the point. Do you understand? No time for delay tactics, trying to hold audience until 3 minutes or 4 minutes of your video before you now start saying what you want to say. If you do that, they will scroll up and look for another video. I don't know the generation you belong to as a creator, but what you are going to understand is the people that is dominating the internet space now is the Gen Zs, and they don't have time to wait. So if you are a creator, just know that these are the new generation viewers. You have to give them what they want. You have to follow their era. You have to be faster and smarter, because as a matter of fact, they are the people that are consuming the content that you are creating now. So if you want to create content, please go straight to the point. There is no time for delay tactics again. Delay tactics is gone and gone forever. And by 2026, any channel that is using that will not even get visibility, because people will not be watching your video for long. Once they notice that you don't want to say something, they will leave your channel and go for another video. Now, the last but not the least, which is the 5th one, the viewers now are also creators. Unlike before, we only have creators and viewers. You know, During the time of Mark Angel Comedy, that is the richest YouTuber in Africa, then he posts once in a week. That's every Friday. See you next Friday. Those viewers will still wait until the following week for them to watch their video again. So then, content creation is not the way it is now. Most people are not into content creation. Most people don't even own a phone. Most people don't even know how content creation works. Most people don't even know that some of these platforms are paying. They just watch the video of their favorite creators, like their video. When they see notification pop up, they quickly go and watch the video, like, comment, and leave. That is you, a creator and a viewer. But now, your viewer is also a content creator. This new era of viewers also want to feel that they could own your channel. They want to be involved in your story. They want to like your video. They want to recreate your content. They want to remix your content. They want to turn your content into shorts. Even me as a content creator, I still have people that I watch their video, like their video, comment on their video, join their live streams. So this new era of YouTube and content creation demands that you carry your audience along for you to build that brand that you are looking for. You have to carry them along, post on your community, reply to comments, make them feel that they are part of your story. With this, you are going to beat the new YouTube era of content creation. Whether you like it or not, 60 to 70% of the viewers are Gen Zs. And you have to create content that will equally make them feel among, because they are born in the era of smartphone and they can source for information anywhere. If they are not seeing that value from your content, they will equally look for another person. So what you are going to do is to bring them along, and with that you are going to see a real significant change in your channel. So go back to your channel and see if you are missing out in any of these 5 strategies that I dropped. Quickly adjust to it so you will not be left alone. In case you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Jazzy and I am a creator for the creators. If this video interests you, kindly like my video, subscribe to my channel, and equally share it. Do well to follow me across all social media platforms at JazzyNation1. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you on my next video.